What's going on YouTube? Thank you again for tuning in to the Dad Cave channel. This is part 3 of the home bar build, and as you can see, it's here, it's done, it's finished, it's in place. So make sure you stick around, check out the video. I'm going to go through, show you the steps it took to get to the final product here. And at the very end, I'll go through, show you a little bit more of the finer details of this bar so you can get a better idea of just what went into it. So stick around. If you recall in the previous video, I cut sheets of 3/4 inch plywood for the shelves of this bar. Now it's time to take these 1/2 inch strips of pine that I cut and secure them with glue and brad nails. This will create the slots for the wine bottles. Since I'm going to be making repeated measurements, I used a scrap piece of wood to create a story stick. I marked a center line, then measured 1 1/8 inch to each side of the center line to give me a distance of 2 1/4 inches. This is the perfect width to hold your standard wine bottle. For the top of this bar, I'm using 2x6 pieces of redwood. I'm just going over the edges with my planer, make sure they're square, and then I'll glue up the top. To make sure this bar top stays together nicely, I'm going to use a combination of wood glue and pocket screws.
Cool. Fire, 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 fire.
Burning this bar top is really going to help that grain pop once this thing goes on. After I burn it, I'm just going to give it a light sanding to smooth out the burn areas and give it a more natural look. Since I'm going to be pouring resin on top of this, I want to make sure that any drips that I get can just easily be taken off without having to actually sand them off. So putting tape on the underneath part of the bar before pouring the resin is going to save a whole lot of time and make this process a lot easier. I saw this on another video, and when I did, my mind was blown. Check out that color. I'm loving how that grain just pops. Comment down below, let me know what you think. All that's left to do now is to drill the pocket holes to secure the bar top, install the shelves, and this bar is ready to go. All right, so with that, I am out of here. This video is done. So is this bar. Now, if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for me. If you really like the video, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you never miss an upload. There's only one thing left yet to do, is to pour myself a drink. Make sure you get out there and build something today because Dad said so. Cheers.